Let us know why Federal Reserve is reluctant to cut interest rates even though there is pressure mounting from US President Donald Trump. Number 1. Persistent inflation, especially core inflation excluding food and energy, remains above the Fed's 2% target, so cutting rates too early may reignite inflationary pressures. Number 2. Data-driven mandate. The Fed operates independently and bases its decisions on economic data and not political pressure. It prioritizes economic indicators over political timelines. Strong labor market. The US market remains robust with low unemployment. This reduces the urgency to stimulate the economy through rate cuts. Risk of overheating. Lowering rates prematurely could overheat the economy, fueling asset bubbles and creating long term instability. Credibility and independence. The Fed protects its credibility by resisting political influence. Yielding to presidential pressure could damage investor confidence and long term policymaking. Uncertain economic outlook. Global instability, supply chain shifts, and the ongoing geopolitical tensions add a lot of uncertainty. So the Fed prefers to wait for clear signals. Sticky services inflation. While goods inflation has cooled, services inflation remains stubbornly high, making the Fed uneasy about easing policy. Real interest rates still accommodative. Even with high nominal rates, inflation adjusted rates are not overtly restrictive, meaning monetary policy isn't drastically slowing down the economy. No signs of recession yet. Despite tighter credit conditions, the US economy continues to grow modestly, reducing the need for immediate stimulus through rate cuts, avoiding a stop go policy error. The Fed wants to avoid cutting and then rehiking rates, which would cause market volatility and confusion. So it prefers a one directional, sustainable move. Another point to discuss here is that easing monetary policy to relieve treasury borrowing costs would conflict with the Fed's price stability mandate and risk undermining its independence. So in short, Fed is prioritizing price stability and institutional credibility over short-term political convenience. Do follow us on TradeZo for more such content.